I have something to say in the court session, so I won't want to say those things so that I don't repeat myself. But the only thing here is, just like we heard today, you are the temple of justice. Continue to live up to your responsibility so that innocent people will not suffer unjustly. We're marking a new beginning after the reconciliation and peace in our state, and I strongly believe that whatever we have lost, now that we're together, we will regain those grounds. The progress and development that we have all yearned for, I strongly believe that we will not deviate from it. We will work as a team, the executive, the legislature, and also the judiciary, and every stakeholder to make sure that the dream, that river state that we all dream of, we will attend it by the grace of God. Let me thank everyone for your support, for your prayers, and believing in One River State. This is the One River State where everyone can sit together, laugh together, and praise the Almighty together. I will continue to appreciate the church because the church have always played a very important role. Their prayers cannot be removed from this peace that we're enjoying in state today. So let me, on behalf of the government and every other branches of government, the judiciary that invited me to be here because it's their event. So I'm speaking, so let me, on behalf of the executive, the judiciary and the legislature, say a very big thank you to everyone, and also more especially to the church for allowing us to use your facility today to usher the 2025-2026 legal year to the glory of God. Thank you, and may God bless everyone.